Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Jinka Rosal. I'm from province of Leyte. I'm 45 years old. I'm a married. I have 3 children, one girl, 16 years old, 2 boys, 14 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I'm a Roman Catholic. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Brunei, 5 years and 5 months. I serve 3 family members, 1 children, 2 adults. My main duties are cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, clean dishes, and gardening, car washing, give the cat food and cooking. I have also experienced take care of baby. I'm a trustworthy, hardworking. So I will hope that you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and